Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare, that is Call of Duty Modern Warfare is having error code diver error, and how we can fix this error. So many of the users has very recently reported they're having the error code diver error when you're trying to play the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So we're going to talk about how we can fix this up, and before that, if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification, and let's move to the workaround. So the first one is all about, if you're on the game, you just have to close the Steam, you have to close the game, and you just have to wait for a little bit of time. Then you just go back to the Steam. Then what you have to do is just launch the game. That is, you have to do is restart, that you're closing the game, just opening it back once again within a short period of seconds, and you have to see whether you're able to fix the issue or not. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. As you can see here, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, so it is very important that we should be having a good internet connection. So we just have to check internet connection, the speed, and if they're going through any kind of things. It is very important, so you should be having a good internet connection both on uploading as well as on downloading. So you should be having enough speed, or else you will be having the trouble. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to use cellular data. That is, when you're trying to launch the game, it is all depending on the Wi-Fi. So I don't know, but it worked for some users. When they are launching the game, they're connecting to the hotspot of their mobile or to another network. Precisely, we can say they connected to their hotspot. Once the game is launched, they're connecting it back to the Wi-Fi. So you can do this over here. So for that, you just have to go over here in the start and navigate to settings. Just go for network internet. Now as you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi. So what they do is they just connect it back to the hotspot. Then when launching the game, they use the hotspot. Once the launching is done, they just connect it back to the Wi-Fi, and they try to play the game, and it worked for many of the users. That's what I'm obviously thinking, how it is possible. Maybe using a different network, that may be, but even you can connect it to any other Wi-Fi you can connect it that also. That is also fine. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to update the game. Now if you're having any update, just update the game, as well as also you have to make sure that you have done this, that is properties. Go to updates and make this is always the game is updated. You should be checked to this, or else you will be not be getting the update. So make sure you are having the update and also done this with this settings over this way, so that you will be getting the update and the game will be up to date. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to check the game server status. That is very important. So if you go to this, as you can see, the activation support, it is returning over here. That is it is right now working for everything fine, that all the things are actually, it is all good. So even if you see right now, it is all good so far. There is no kind of any things are there. And even if you go back to the activation, as you can see right now, for all the platforms, it is online. So it is not having any kind of server issue so far. Even till 12:20 it is up to date, so there is no issue with that. So that is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about, we have to verify the integrity of game files. That is very important. So verify integrity of game file is actually a fix. If any files are corrupted, they will be fixing it. So we just have to open it. So from here, you just have to go over here and right click and go to properties. Now go to local files. Just go for verify integrity of game file. So when the verify integrity is working place, that means it is repairing the files which is corrupted, or it is missing, they all will be fixed from their end. So this is actually worked for many users. The verify integrity of game file is actually repairing the game files. So it has worked for many of the users. So I'm suggesting you can do the same, and it has helped many of the users. And these are the possible workarounds which you have to do when you are having error code diver on more Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.